Alright, so today is iPhone 14, not launch day, but the day that I actually get my iPhone 14. So yes, we will be unboxing the iPhone 14 today. Chenny made me breakfast this morning, so the day's starting off very, very well. And I'm also getting all iPhone 14s. iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. What else do you want? What else do you want? Okay, starting the day right with an outdoor walk, closing my rings on my Apple Watch. Today's a good day, man. I mean, am I the only one that thinks like this? But I was so ready for summer to be over. It's been so hot this summer, and it feels so good for the first time to wear a simple jacket. I mean, the temperature right now is perfect. Apple's quite happy right now. She just saw a squirrel. The squirrel got so scared of Apple, he went all the way up there. All right, good news. Somebody's calling me right now. Hola. Sí, en 5 minutos estoy. Vale, adiós, adiós. All right, guys, it is the iPhone. It's UPS, and the iPhone 14 is at my doorstep waiting for me. Let's go get our iPhones, baby. Got them. Okay, I got them. We got them right here. Inside of here are the new iPhone 14s. Let's unbox them together. Wow. Remember that I said that it wasn't hot before? And we're gonna be unboxing them together because we're a family, right? We do things together. I've actually never seen the iPhone 14's packaging, so this is the first time that I'm ever seeing anything. I mean, I saw the phone at the Apple event, which, by the way, if you guys haven't seen the Apple event vlog, you guys have to check that out. But here they are. Oh my gosh, I am seeing them before you. We got a bunch of stuff inside of this box. So let's go ahead and check out everything. All right, so most importantly, we've got the 3 new iPhones that were launched. The iPhone 14 Plus will be coming out later, but inside of here, we got the new iPhone 14 Pro, and here we have the iPhone 14. I also got the iPhone 14 MagSafe clear case and a silicone case for the iPhones. So let's start off with the iPhone 14. So in terms of the design, the iPhone 14 has not changed, but it brings a couple new features that I'm actually quite excited to check out. This one's actually the new purple color in a 512 gigabyte version. 1, 2, and 3. I love this purple, honestly. So the pink from last year has been replaced with this new purple. Depending on which lighting and depending on which scenario you're actually in, it changes the color. I love this new color. Oh yeah. Only on US iPhones, the iPhone SIM tray has actually been replaced. So this is actually quite exclusive because in Europe we still get the SIM trays, and in America you guys will get the eSIM. This color right here is the iPhone 14 Pro in space black, 1 terabyte version, an absolute beast. This is probably the one that I'm gonna be using as my daily driver this year. I've been using gold. I mean, gold is my personal favorite color for the iPhone, but I felt like it was a good time to change. Are you guys ready for the iPhone 14 Pro? I'm so excited about this, and man, holy crap, this black. I mean, I saw it at the Apple event, but now seeing it more calmly, this thing is so freaking classy. This new black is astonishing. All right, are you guys ready to see Dynamic Island for the first time? Let's go ahead and boot it up. And there is Dynamic Island right there. Man, it feels good. It feels good to be on vacation. It feels good to be in Dynamic Island. Here's a quick comparison. This is an iPhone 13 Pro and this is a 14 Pro. The lenses has actually gotten a little bit larger, not too much, nothing too crazy, but you can definitely notice it a little bit. Oh, this is new. Hold on. Let me see if I'm getting this right. Okay, yes, I'm actually getting this right. So here's an iPhone SE box. The printing on the actual packaging on the new iPhone 14s is actually, touch it. Once you get it on your hands, touch it because there's actually, you can feel the text on the paper. Anyways, I know this is very fanboyish, but I had to share this moment with you.
2 hours later.
Okay, iPhone 14 Pro Max. All right. Wow, it's purple. It's very purple. Depending on which light, like maybe on camera it feels blue, but it is very purple in person. Apple nails colors. Apple hasn't been nailing colors so much lately. And here it is. Honestly, so crazy to see the evolution, especially on the camera module. I mean, look how it started and look how it ended. All right, so I just set up the iPhone 14 Pro, and I gotta say, man, Dynamic Island is absolutely awesome, right? So I've got music right here on the top, right? Let's say I start some directions. Look what happens on the top. Are you ready? So it splits, so now my music is on the top right, and now my maps is on the middle. Dynamic Island for me is a masterpiece. And what I say by this is, if you're a designer, if you're in the UI world, if you're in the design world at all, you know how much a simple idea can change everything. And for me, this is such a simple idea, but it changes everything. Check this out. So the new wallpapers are actually in the collections section. So you go on collections, swipe all the way to the right, and those are all the iPhone 14 exclusive wallpapers: silver, gold, and deep purple. And here's a quick look on how the always on display actually works. So you literally just close your phone and it's always on. And I'm actually quite surprised on how bright it actually is. I was honestly expecting it to be way darker, but it's actually quite bright, which really surprised me. I mean, it's quite surprising how this is on all day long. And if Apple says that this doesn't waste any battery life, that's surprising.
Sometimes I'm